Hey good people, Happy New Year. Time to do some barbecue. Some kindling, split wood, nice and dry. Newspaper in between, you can probably just see if it will focus. I've dropped a light, what's it, paraffin block, and then yes, charcoal on top. One way to make sure it leaks. Well, to the sound of the birdies, I think we'd call that going. First time using the basket. Yes, I've kept the grill, using it as a flame diffuser. How's this? Commercial chicken wings, as my son calls them. Nearly there. Just probed them at 65, so we're not far off now. Split the coals, because of course the ends need a bit more.